What you doing on the rock, bud? He's being very sweet. He kind of looks all, I don't know, look at my phone real quick. He's just chilling out there. He's just sitting. He looks kind of like he's scrunching his neck in. He's like, I'm kind of like,
Oh, it's windy.
you gotta scrunch his neck. What you doing, dude? Think it's good to fly? I think he's waiting for the wind to die down a little bit before he starts flying off the rock. Which is a smart move, bud. Smart move. Was that one taking a bath? Oh no! Up and away. That one's taking a bath in the distance. There we go. Crow bath. Crow's taking a bath.